Hey friends, it's Jamie Jaco, your 31 girl, and I got a surprise package. Well, it's not a surprise. I knew it was coming. I just wasn't paying attention to the tracking, so I didn't know it was coming today. So it's like Christmas, and I'm really excited, and I've never done this before, but I thought I would do like an unboxing. So if you watch Insta stories, I love to watch Insta stories of people and like their Costco hauls and like what they get. I don't know why I like to see that stuff, but I just got a new box of 31 stuff and it's new spring products, and I thought I'm gonna open it on a video. They probably don't care as much as what I care about when I watch people what they get. Now this stuff I didn't pick out personally. I actually earned this entire box of stuff for free in 31. So if you have me as a friend on Facebook, then I'm not sure if you even seen it, but a couple of days ago I got recognized for being in the top 3% of the company with 31. And I earned a spring kit. And so what this is it's products that's in our new spring and summer catalog, and I earned it for free. And so I'm really excited. I've been wanting this stuff so badly, and so it's finally arrived on my doorstep. And I can't wait to go through it. So I thought I'd just do a video and kind of show y'all what I got. So you can see some of the new spring and summer stuff. So I've not opened this yet. I just cut it because I knew that would probably take forever. So I cut the box, but I've not actually opened it up and looked in it. So let's get started. I probably will not be as entertaining as the other people, but that's fine. Y'all just want to see the good stuff, the products. Y'all care nothing about me. So here is the kit. So everything in this picture I earned for free. And it's really fun because there's different levels in 31. So this is the kit that I earned, and then there's different levels and that people could earn. So some ladies earned just this set, some ladies earned this set and this set. I earned this entire set, and then there was one level above me and they earned this set plus another smaller set added onto this. So it was really exciting. I'm so proud to have gotten this. I can't wait to show it. I actually have a party tomorrow night, so I cannot wait to take this new stuff to my party with me. Okay, so I have to save this stuff. This is like the cushion, I guess. My kids are obsessed with this. They love to jump on it, and it pops and it makes the loudest sound and gives me such a headache, but they love it. So I have to save it for them. So let's just throw that over here. My little congratulations 2K. Yay, love that. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, that goes with something I remember. Okay, I'm just going to throw stuff everywhere. My office is a mess anyways. So I got a 2K pen. And what this is, when we have conference every year, we get these pens because you get into the K groups quarterly. And so you get like 4 pens if you make it into the K kits or the K groups. And then what's really fun is we have these lanyards that we wear, and we can put these on our lanyards. And it just kind of it's just fun to add those little extra fun things on there. Okay, now let's get to the products. Okay, the first thing is a Ruby Mini. This is a brand new print, and y'all are going crazy over it because it comes in, this Around Town tote comes in this print, and it's so pretty. If y'all remember, it's with the yellow. So here's the Ruby Mini. Look at how pretty that is. Let's see, that looks like I guess like a black dot with the pretty gold in there. Oh, just love this, and then it's trimmed in the caramel. But our Ruby Minis are just having stuff falling out. Our Ruby Minis are just zipper pouches. I love these things, but what I really love is you can attach a wristlet strap onto here, and then it's a fun clutch for like date night, or if you just want to have like something small, and you can put the strap around your wrist and you're good to go. So there's our Ruby Mini. The next thing is our zipper pouch in one of our fun spring and summer prints. I just love this. If you go to the beach, this is going to be great for you. It's got seashells all over it. So my kids they actually love this print. We don't go to the beach a lot, but they collect seashells. Like you can go to there's a place in Rock Island, and it's got the sand and it's got seashells. So I love that the shells can be anywhere. So I love our zipper pouches. This is like a bigger version of that Ruby Mini. I just threw it down, or I would compare. But this can fit like a catalog in it. So I can kind of give you a size guesstimation. So me being a business owner, I love to put my catalogs in here and keep them in my purse. So when I see people, I can give them a new catalog. This is also great for makeup when you're traveling. Or if you're like me and you don't wear a ton of makeup, like this holds all of my makeup and it's underneath my bathroom sink. So love the zipper pouch. Let's move on. Ooh, this one's a big one. This one is our Totally Thermal. So we had this several years ago, and people loved it, and they've been asking for it back, so now it's back, and I'm so excited about this. So this is our Totally Thermal. It's a nice big thermal, but I love the size of it, but I also love the shape. It kind of looks like a tote bag. So it has a nice big pocket right here. I love this little clip. This is perfect to like clip your keys on, things like that. So if you take this grocery shopping, you can clip your keys on it and then tuck your keys in the pocket. Also great, you can put your cell phone and keys, all that good stuff in here. I love that it goes on your shoulders so your hand's free. And then you open it up. Look how big this thing is. This has our leak lock thermal lining in it, which means you can put straight ice in here if you want to, and it's not gonna seep out the bottom, the water won't. So love our leak lock lining. You can put straight ice in here, or you can just put ice packs or baggies of ice, whatever you want. So this is our Totally Thermal. I absolutely love, love, love this thermal, and I might be giving this thermal to some people for free, but you gotta message me and ask me about it and I will tell you about it. So that's the Totally Thermal. Okay, next up, y'all, here she is. If you've seen my video last week, I believe, maybe it was last week, y'all seen my new love, which is a black backpack, and she's just gorgeous. I had to do a video and just to debut her. I love her, she's my favorite. And I told y'all I had the gray coming. Here she is. Look how pretty this gray is. So I just got a charcoal gray on here. Y'all, look how gorgeous this backpack is. So it's just like that black pack that I shown, but I'll do it really quick. So it's got the handles here, and then it does have the backpack straps. It has a pocket on each side, and then it does have another pocket here. And then my favorite thing about this backpack is most backpacks, when you open, they only open so far because it's a backpack. This opens like a square. Look how big this is. So it's perfect. You can get your hands in there. You can see everything that you need to in there. It has a thermal pocket on the inside. So if you carry this as a diaper bag, it's going to be perfect to put the stuff that you need to keep cold in there. And then it has pockets literally all around it, and then it's nice and big and open in the middle. So this is my purse. Y'all know I love a big purse, but I love a backpack because even though my kids are older and I don't need a diaper bag, one, I still have to carry everything for them. And two, I need to be hands-free because my kids are on the go all the time. And so I just love to throw a backpack on my back and go. So here is the Adventures backpack in the gray stepping stone. This is so pretty. I cannot wait to carry this. Okay, there's that one. The next one, this is actually like a bundle, or I'm sorry, yeah, a bundle, and it's gonna have 3 products, and this is for my hostesses this for March, April, and May. So for only 3 months. So if you love this, you want to make sure you get it because after May it'll be gone. So what this is, it's a hostess exclusive, which means only my hostesses can purchase it, and this one is actually a bundle. Let me see if it has the price. I should have looked at that. So you get all 3 pieces for $50. I think. Yep. You get all 3 pieces for $50, and you get to personalize one of the items for free. So let me show you what it is. Y'all know how much I love this Round Town tote, right? Are you ready to see it in a brand new like fabric? Not even a print. It's a new fabric, a new texture. Look how cool this is. It's straw. And so it's this tan and white. And then it has our premium faux leather straps. It does have your cell phone pocket on the back. Let me open you up. Look how gorgeous this is, guys. It also comes in navy. So if you're terrified that you're going to get this white dirty, it also comes in navy and tan stripes. But I wish y'all could feel this. It is so cool. This just screams spring and summer. Now, like I said, it's a bundle. So you're getting the Around Town tote in this print. Remember that adorable Ruby Mini I just showed? You're getting a Ruby Mini in this print. And then last but not least, remember I said there was 3 products? We have this adorable little accessory for your bag. So cute. Uh-oh, I should have paid attention. Look at these little pom-poms. And then, let me see, look at these. I'll just take, look, it's got little wood beads on here. And the cute little pom-poms. Y'all, look how cute this is. And look, you can personalize the little leather tag. How stinking cute is this? And this is going to attach right on. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. This is like Christmas morning for me, y'all. So you're getting this, look, and you're gonna attach it. Y'all, I can't. Look how cute. Look how cute. You're getting all 3 pieces. Look how pretty. Now, if you get the bundle in the navy and the tan stripes, this is red, white, and blue. The pom-poms are red, white, and blue. So you can be like, you know, get your America on. And if my husband watches this, he's going to make me order this in this so we can have the red, white, and blue. Because if you know Craig, if it's an American flag, he's buying it. If it's red, white, and blue, he's buying it. He just loves all of the things. This is why this is red and navy. So we got to do the red and blue. Last but not least is a product that I have posted several pictures about. I've not gotten it in yet. I've been dying to get it in, and she's finally here. If you don't understand, like, I say she because I love these products so much, and I take such great care of them because I love them. These are my love languages. So the small utility tote, I've been posting several pictures on it because people are going crazy about it. Everyone is loving this bag, and everyone can't wait to see this bag, so I'm so excited. So this is going to be described as the large utility tote's little sister. Our small utility tote. Guys, look how cute this is. Look, so cute. And it's just nice and big and open on the inside, but y'all, it has a pocket on the front. How awesome is this? So if the large utility tote is too big for you sometimes, and I know personally me, sometimes it is too big, this is going to be perfect. This is going to be amazing. My best friend said the best thing, and I'm ordering one right away in the dark gray. She's going to put this between her back seat because she has 2 little boys, and so they have their car seat. And you know kids, they always have snacks and drinks and toys and things like that. How cute is this going to be to sit in between the 2 car seats? And so they have a place to put everything. Love that. I'm going to love this for the farmer's market. I'm going to love this for softball season when it's time to go to watch Liv play softball. Wyatt can load this down with some toys to keep him busy. And I can put snacks and drinks in here, sunscreen, all the things. I'm just so excited about this small utility tote. All right. And that's it. And I also earned some catalogs. Oh, got another thing in here. I got the wristlet strap to attach on. You remember when I was telling y'all? Oh, look, they already know. You remember when I was telling y'all this is really cute if you attach a wristlet strap onto it? Look how cute that is. And that matches the gold in here. How pretty is that? Okay, I'm so excited. I'm going to have to go and love on all this stuff and get it all packed up and ready for my party tomorrow night. But I just wanted to do this. I hope you enjoyed it. If you love things like this, I would love to do more kind of like openings for when I order stuff and kind of show it off. So if you want to see more of it, let me know. If you want to know how you can get that thermal, that really awesome thermal that I showed, if you want to know how you can get it for free, message me and ask me and I'll be happy to tell you. And that's all I got, ladies. I hope y'all have an amazing day. Bye, guys.